Welcome to Auto Hub Info, your trusted source for the latest car news, in-depth reviews, and everything happening in the auto industry. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about electric SUVs on the market, the 2025 Xpeng G9. A vehicle that blends futuristic tech, Chinese engineering excellence, and electric power into a bold new package that's turning heads globally. The Xpeng G9 is a fully electric midsize SUV developed by Xpeng Motors, one of China's leading EV manufacturers. Founded in 2014, Xpeng has rapidly gained traction in the global electric vehicle space. The G9, initially launched in 2022, has now been refined into its 2025 version with major improvements in range, performance, and smart features. This SUV represents Xpeng's flagship effort to compete not just within China but internationally against big names like Tesla, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. As for where the Xpeng G9 is most used and sold, China remains the top market. It's the homeland of Xpeng and where EV infrastructure is growing rapidly. However, Xpeng has been expanding into Europe, with Norway, the Netherlands, and Germany seeing strong interest and growing sales figures. The 2025 G9 is designed with global appeal, offering left-hand and right-hand drive options to suit different markets. Xpeng's expansion into European markets is strategic, aiming to compete with Tesla's Model Y and Audi Q8 e-tron in one of the most competitive EV landscapes in the world. Popularity-wise, the G9 has gained significant traction not only because it's a tech-savvy SUV but also due to its affordability compared to premium European or American brands. In China, it's already regarded as a top-tier EV with high safety standards, cutting-edge tech, and smooth electric performance. With more than 100,000 units sold since its first launch and growing anticipation for the 2025 edition, it's clear the G9 is not just another electric SUV, it's a serious contender. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Xpeng G9 comes with multiple drivetrain options, including rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. The dual-motor AWD variant pumps out over 550 horsepower, pushing the G9 from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 4 seconds. That's sports car-level speed from a family-sized SUV. But performance isn't just about acceleration. The G9 offers excellent stability, adaptive suspension, and a highly responsive steering system. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city traffic, the G9 delivers a confident, composed drive. Fuel efficiency, or rather, electric efficiency, is a key factor for any EV. The 2025 G9 boasts a battery range of up to 702 km on the CLTC cycle and around 570 km on the WLTP standard, depending on the variant. That means you can travel from one major city to another on a single charge, making it suitable for both urban and long-distance driving. Thanks to Xpeng's 800 volts charging architecture, the G9 can add up to 200 km of range in just 10 minutes using ultra-fast chargers. That's one of the fastest charging systems available today, reducing downtime and making EV ownership more convenient than ever. In terms of capabilities, the Xpeng G9 is a full-on tech powerhouse. It comes with the XPILOT 4.0 autonomous driving system, which includes features like automatic lane change, intelligent cruise control, automated parking, and city-level navigation assistance. Equipped with lidar sensors, 30+ driver assistance features, and AI-driven algorithms, the G9 is built to adapt to real-time driving environments with incredible precision. It's one of the few vehicles globally to combine AI with lidar for advanced autonomous functions in daily driving. When it comes to key features, the G9's interior is where it truly feels like the future. The cabin is designed for luxury, comfort, and innovation. You get a dual-screen dashboard with an interactive infotainment system, full voice control powered by Xpeng's AI assistant, and ultra-soft Nappa leather seats. The smart cockpit includes a 21-speaker Dynaudio surround sound system, a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and even massaging seats in select trims. Rear passengers are not left out either. They enjoy generous legroom, reclining seat options, and entertainment controls of their own. Technology lovers will appreciate the G9's operating system, which runs Xpeng's Xsmart OS. It supports over-the-air software updates, app integration, facial recognition, and remote smartphone connectivity. From climate control to music to navigation, everything can be controlled by voice or touch with lag-free performance. The cabin feels like stepping into a luxury living room with the functionality of a cutting-edge digital device. Price is another area where Xpeng plays its cards right. The 2025 Xpeng G9 starts at approximately $43,000 USD for the base rear-wheel drive variant, while the high-performance dual-motor trim can go up to $65,000. Compared to European electric SUVs with similar features and performance, the G9 is remarkably affordable. That pricing strategy gives it a strong competitive edge, especially in price-sensitive markets looking for value without compromise. What makes the 2025 Xpeng G9 really stand out as a selling point is its perfect blend of luxury, performance, and futuristic tech, all at a competitive price. It's a premium electric SUV that doesn't feel out of reach for the average consumer. Whether you want a daily city commuter, a family adventure SUV, or a tech-filled showpiece for your driveway, the G9 fits all roles with confidence. The ultra-fast charging system, long range, and autonomous capabilities set it apart from both legacy carmakers and new EV startups. In conclusion, the 2025 Xpeng G9 represents the new wave of smart mobility. It's not just about driving anymore, it's about experiencing a seamless connection between you, your car, and the world around you. Xpeng has crafted an electric SUV that feels intuitive, powerful, luxurious, and future-ready. With strong sales in China, growing presence in Europe, and global interest on the rise, the G9 isn't just a car, it's a statement that China's EV game is world-class and here to lead. Thanks for tuning into Auto Hub Info. If you're as excited about the 2025 Xpeng G9 as we are, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates from the fast-moving world of automotive innovation. See you in the next one.